Hey, what is up guys? This is FNH here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the HDX plastic storage closet from the Home Depot. Okay, you can get this at Home Depot or Lowe's, right? Either one you'll find it in. Overall, I think this is a really good cabinet. You know, I have it outdoor in my backyard. I have a pretty small backyard here, and just needed something to, you know, keep my stuff in, like the grill stuff and other small things here and there, gardening stuff. Okay, so I got this right here. Right, this is probably one of the cheapest ones you'll find in the market, right? And obviously, once you get it, you will know based off the quality that it is a cheaper one. Okay, so I specifically got this from Lowe's, right? And the price is around $134, right? It's the same in Home Depot as well, right? That's the regular price, not on sale or anything. Okay, obviously this is the cheapest one you can get from there, and you will be able to tell by the quality. Okay, so you can see over here everything is made out of plastic, right? You can see the shelf is not quite on a straight surface, so you can see the doors are kind of, you know, not even. I still have to fix that, but basically let's open it and see. Alright, so basically it comes with 4 shelves. I only have 2 shelves installed for now because I wanted to keep some shovels there, right? So that's why I didn't put the other shelves in. Okay, and in terms of quality, you are getting what you paid for. It is like a cheaper type of plastic. Like, you will be able to tell when you're you know, working with it and putting it, assembling it together, that it is inferior to other types. But yeah. Yeah. Okay, and also another thing you'll notice is that the assembly is simple, right? So it comes with instructions, obviously, and putting it together is really simple. You really don't need anything, and most of it is just clipping it into place. So like you can see like the joints here and stuff, like it's just basically clipping it into place. You only need screws for like basically attaching these door hinges, right? And I guess the door handles on the outside. Okay, you only need it for that. But aside from that, it was pretty simple to put together, really easy. And yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions or comments about this. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you guys want to know more about it, please let me know. I will let you get back to you guys. And yeah, if you liked the video, make sure to like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.